are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you another yummy breakfast recipe, which is cheese corn sandwiches. Do try it. It will taste really cheesy and awesome with corn and onions and everything. Super tasty. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. And there are so many breakfast recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Let's go and see how to make these yummy cheese corn sandwiches. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make this cheese corn sandwiches. Bread, of course, mayo, cheese, corn, butter, salt to taste, onions, chilies. And if you have coriander, use that too. It will taste awesome. So let's cut everything and I'll show you how to make it. Onion and chilies combination is half cup and corn is 1 cup. Keep that in mind. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of corn, frozen corn or fresh corn, you can use whatever you want, and half cup of onions and chilies, half cup of onions and chilies, and salt to taste, and next goes in 2 tablespoons of mayo. 1 and 2. We'll nicely mix this together until everything is nicely mixed. This is it. Our filling is ready. Let's make sandwiches. I forgot to add one last ingredient, is 1 handful of cheese. It's going to be nice and tasty. Mix it once more. Now let's make the sandwiches. First thing we are going to do is spread little bit of butter on outside of the bread, so that it will become nice golden brown. This should be good enough. And the other side too. And on the inside of the bread, we'll spread little bit of mayo, not too much. Just this much, and spread it. On the other part too. It's ready. And now goes in our mixture. Nicely stuff it. You can take out the chilies if it's for kids or adults. You can add some more chilies and nicely spread it. It's going to be nice cheesy sandwich. That's enough. Take out the chilies because I am making for the kids. One more and add little bit of more filling. Done. Cover it up with the bread and you can just pan fry it on your pan or sandwich maker, any way you want to do it. I'm going to put it on a grill so that I get nice grill marks on it. So let's put it. Open the grill. Nice and hot. We are going to put our sandwich. close it and press it in a little bit. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes and it will be ready. Let's check on it. Look at that beautiful sandwich. Let's turn it. One more minute should be good enough. Look at that beautiful sandwich. It's ready to be served. So here is my sandwich. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you do like my videos, please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.